Hey guys!
Yeah, hey, I'm the most main one. They suck.
Okay. Actually, it's kind of random actually. We're gonna do reaction about Axel Wolf teaser. We have it on our TV. Okay. So, should we start?
Yeah, should we start?
Okay.
Okay. Where's the remote?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stop. Stop.
Ah!
Oh my god. What is it? No.
Kacita.
Oh my god, it's actually you.
Whoa.
Whoa, language.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Kai.
Zayn.
Oh my god, it's not One Direction, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, Chanyeol.
Get up, gay.
Oh my god.
I think they're acting as vampires.
No, it's a wolf. Oh my god. Oh my god, why you look so funny? Oh my god, Kai. Oh my god, Chris.
Zayn.
It's not One Direction.
Cole. Kai. Zayn. Cole.
Oh my god, so awesome. Why don't you have any reaction?
Because I think it's just pure wicked.
Yeah.
God. This is so cool. Oh my god.
Okay, that
That
is
was-
really creepy, dudes.
Alia's kind of a bit overstruck.
Yeah, she's really scared. Do it. Yeah.
Lol, we're talking.
Yeah.